Directors and officers coverage for investors, professional liability. Usually these are written at 1 million per occurrence, 2 million aggregate. 1 million per occurrence, 1 million aggregate. An umbrella coverage is something that sits over auto liability, general liability. Property coverage is something that covers existing structures. Usually damage from fire or theft is something that would be covered by property. There would be, if you had contents within the building, that would be covered by BPP, business personal property. Sometimes there's personal property of others that's covered. You would look at each of these limits. A builder's risk is something that's in place for when you are building something. Like if there was a construction company, they would have a builder's risk for the property that they're constructing. Once the construction is completed, then it would go on a business personal on a property policy for the existing structure. That would be the limit. There's coinsurance. Coinsurance means that you have to carry a certain number of limit, up to 80% of the limit. So if you've got a building that's worth $1 million, you must have at least an $800,000 limit. If it's less than that, then a coinsurance clause would come into effect, which is basically kind of adjusting down for what the limit is. Like if you have 600,000 and the building's worth $1 million, then that 80% coinsurance clause is going to come in place. What you did have versus what you should have, and then your coverage is prorated based on the coinsurance clause. Another thing in insurance that's harder, not necessarily intuitive, is claims made wording, which means that the claim with the coverage, the policy that responds is the one that's in place at the time the claim happens, not at the time the claim is reported, not at the time the claim occurs.